Hello, this is Luke, and welcome to Be Successful, your favorite development channel, the place where you always leave smarter than you came. Let's start by pressing the like button so the YouTube algorithm can take this video to as many people as possible. If by the end you aren't happy with this video, feel free to take your like back. Let's do a very brief recapitulation of what uPark means. This is just a short reminder for those who have seen the first two videos, which I sincerely recommend you watch by clicking the link on the screen right now. uPark is a mobile and decentralized parking reservation system with spot visibility and guaranteed access across Europe. Following the rapid increase in car ownership, many cities are suffering from a lack of car parking areas with the imbalance between parking supply and demand. This can be considered the primary reason for metropolis parking problems. Users can find the best parking spots available, which will eventually save them time, effort, and resources. The parking spaces get occupied effortlessly, and space can be used properly by corporate and commercial entities. Searching for an open parking space burns too much vehicle oil in a day. An optimum parking solution will notably decrease the driving time, therefore lowering the daily amount of fuel use and eventually decrease the global ecological footprint. Considering the above, by using uPark in your daily life, you will have the chance to save time and money, reduce stress, and help the environment by lowering carbon emission rates. uPark is on its way to scale in all of Europe. It is beginning by growing through capital cities and horizontally scaling through an increase in the number of parking spots, boosting user adoption, making it ready for new branches and partnerships. As you can see on the screen, uPark aims to expand to over 50 cities in 5 years, starting with 3 cities in 2023, 8 in 2024, and 20 cities in 2025. In 2026, they aim to reach 50 cities. Furthermore, uPark aims to eventually scale its solution across Europe accordingly, with Year 1 focusing on the pilot city to gather data and fine-tune solutions. Once the pilot is in its place, the main focus will be business scaling and boosting user adoption to make it ready for new industries and partnerships. The uPark goal is to acquire parking spots in new cities on an iterative basis, city centers, shopping malls, airports, and events, with the year 2023 as the aim to promote uPark through strategic partnerships in Poland, where lessons learned will be used to scale it in Europe by creating a network of well-optimized, visible, and guaranteed parking spots. The usage is very simple and intuitive. You see the target, you aim for it, you shoot. In our case, you see the empty parking spot through the uPad app, then you reserve it, park, and continue your journey. Easy, isn't it? Moving on to one of the token distributions, or tokenomics, one of the most important elements of a crypto project. The total supply is 550 million, as you can see on the screen. The initial uPark token will be predefined for each presale and fixed in relation to eGold. However, it will vary with regard to the US dollar due to the nature of the eGold coin and the price volatility of the eGold US dollar pair. Once listed on MyR Exchange, a price discovery mechanism will further settle the price based on supply and demand. uPark is an Elrond Standard Digital Token, ESDT, used to manage payments across the entire distributed uPark solution. Token owners will be able to pay for parking services in the uPark mobile app, stake and receive rewards, swap and trade uPark tokens once listed on MyR Decentralized Exchange, participate in liquidity pools and receive rewards, participate in raffles and airdrops, buy NFT collections and receive rewards from multiple streams, participate in DAO and vote on future project decisions. You still have the chance of becoming an early adopter. By participating in the pre-sales, you will be able to buy uPark at lower prices and stake through uPark Wallet for passive income. Roadmap. uPark is still at the beginning, but they are already built a long-term plan. They built a compact team and a strong business model in the last quarter of 2021. Since then, they achieved several milestones, such as in-depth market research and competitor analysis, draft of tokenomics, branding the visual identity, strategic partnerships in several big cities across Europe, smart contract development, the first version of the website and pre-sale #1, staking wallet and uPark mobile app MVP, staking wallet and NFT campaigns, and many more. Seeing these milestones achieved, I can't wait to see what's next. For the moment, we see they plan to start the NFT campaign, test the MVP app in one city, and work on the uPark mobile app blockchain integration and launch on the MyR exchange. Building a successful team is about more than finding a group of people with the right mix of professional skills. Teams have been considered fundamental units in today's organization, and uPark knows it. By bringing together people with very different areas of interest, Jacob and Florin, the founders of the project, aim to bring utility and performance with every feature. I am curious to know what your opinion is about uPark. Tell me this in the comments, and don't forget to press the like button to find parking more easily when you have work in the city. Send this video to your friends who hate looking for parking spaces, and let's all enjoy the result this bold project will bring to our lives if everything goes according to plan. In the meantime, don't forget that you can find us on all your favorite social platforms. We are waiting for you there to debate important and interesting topics. And remember, until next time, take care of your money.